Well, good morning, viewers. A beautiful Saturday morning. Well, it's a bit cold, a bit cloudy, but it's dry. And the next week there's going to be lots of rain, so I'm taking the opportunity to get out and go for a ride. Now, I've been doing a few reviews lately, and I did one just recently on my Alpine earplugs. When I did this review, they saw it and they were very thankful and sent me a little gift, which is very nice. You know, they don't have to do it, but it's just nice to know that a company appreciates that sort of stuff and sent me a little gift. So I'll show you what they sent me when I get to my usual reviewing area. Well, one of my bad habits of bike riding is that I leave my indicators on sometimes. I forget to turn them off, and it can be dangerous. So if I was indicating to go left here and a car was coming out there and they thought he's turning, so I'll come out, I'll hit him. So I'm thinking maybe that I need noisy indicators. I have seen noisy indicators on Steve Hornet 900's channel, and I know there are cancelling indicators, but I think it might be easier just to put the noisy ones on, so when I hear that I've still got them on, it will remind me to turn them off. That should be an easy job. I don't want to do it, but for a safety thing, it's an option. And I just want to thank my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. I'm only a tiny little channel with 46 subscribers, but you need to start somewhere. And I really thank you, I do appreciate it. One of the things this bike doesn't have is a gear indicator. So I'm looking online to get a gear indicator. If anyone has any, if anyone has any suggestions, let me know. Something that will work on a very old Hornet 900 2007. Went a bit sideways then. Something slippery. But this bike handles well, very well. The back did slide a touch, but it grabbed very quickly. Very pleased I have the Road Smart by Dunlop on. This road here is notorious for kangaroos, particularly early in the morning, so I'm always a bit cautious through here. The nod. I'm not sure what you do in other countries, but in Australia most bikers nod to each other. Just a recognition of our shared interest. Beautiful views up here. This is Cherry Gardens. in Adelaide. We're pretty lucky in Australia. Beautiful country. Even though I complain about the cold, it is a lot warmer than a lot of countries. And even though I don't like the rain, boy, we need it. We have months, virtually months, without any proper rain in Adelaide, which is lovely because I get to ride the bike, but it's not good for the farmers. They're having a pretty hard time. And we're seeing a lot of deer in the Adelaide Hills now, which have probably escaped from a venison farm. They're beautiful animals, but they destroy our native vegetation. So I'm happy to see the end of them, really. They're very pretty, probably a lovely animal, but let's admire them somewhere else. Oh, nice to get away from those cars. Wherever I can, I take the back roads. Beautiful. I'm just pulling over to show you what the Alpine Earplug company has sent me. Hello guys, a couple of weeks ago I did a review on the Alpine hearing protection. Okay, in there you get the little black earbuds for normal riding and the red ones for racing or louder sort of situations. Great company. They sent me a gift, the Alpine Cleaning Solution, which is amazing because I lost the cleaning solution that came with the pack. They must have known. So all you do, get your ear plug, or give it a little spray and a bit of a wipe. All done. Very simple. They're all clean and ready to go back in your ear. Thanks again, Alpine, because I've done a few reviews and you're the first company to send me a gift. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Oh. Look at that bike, isn't it beautiful? All of us think our bikes are beautiful, no matter what they are. Whether it be an adventure bike, a trail off-road bike, or just a sports bike, or a normal road bike like this one. We all love them. I've said to the family, let's go out to the garage and grab a cup of coffee and a couple of chairs and just sit and admire my bike, and for some reason no one's taken me up on the offer. Well, I've got a nod from the cyclists, that's nice. They don't normally give us a nod. Well, we're all on two wheels, I suppose. Oh, there's a bit of sun. Oh, that's lovely. sometimes I like to look at the scenery. I need to concentrate on the road. Need to remember I'm riding a motorbike. Oh, the smell of freshly cut pine. Very nice. Beautiful little road this, 100 k's an hour, just 7 kilometres long between Meadows and Macclesfield. But today I will take it easy because it's very wet and slippery.